Hey, what up, nerds?
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Rod. Welcome on in.
Hey, Rod. All right. Time for some game deving.
This is true.
Well, I say that. I've been game deving for a while.
Yes. Yes, you
We
did
both
some.
have.
I did. I did make some stuff for today.
Hope everyone's doing well today. I was able to deal with some refactoring this morning. Lots of refactoring from the atrocities I committed last night.
Cardinal, hello. Welcome, welcome.
Hey, Cardinal. But I fixed it. It is no longer horrific. It works. Maybe it's a different kind of horrific. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. But yeah, let's get to it. Basically, I refactored how characters are rendered and like animated and stuff, so that now it is way easier for me to add things like human versions of special zombies and such. If I turn Linguini into a human, is now human version Linguini,
Human version linguine.
which is fun. He's just sliding around, but we'll fix that someday. Yeah. So, yeah, today we're going to keep working on the zombies a little bit. We're going to do the visuals for the stunned state, like putting little stars over their head. We also did a little bit of work here on the garage area. We added this model, which will represent how you... This is where you'll fix the generator or whatever and open the garage door. Celine will be working on some of that today.
Some of this
on this area. Yeah, lots of stuff to do. Lots of stuff. How I know? I just messaged up a whole bunch of stuff trying to add transitions on Thursday. Thank the Lord for branching. Oh, you messed up. I see. Yeah. Yeah, version control, branching, very important. Very important.
Before we do, is it possible for you to add this as an emote? Perhaps. We want it as an emote.
You message me. We can, yeah.
Only if there's an unused slot.
There is, yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
We can replace it with something later.
Orod says, love that spinning effect. I assume it's the running thing. That's what we were working on yesterday.
Yeah.
Orod. Yeah, pretty happy with it. And like the little smoke and stuff. Yeah, it's fun. It's pretty fun. That boy zooming.
Yeah, and we added the little dirt.
There's some bugs, but yeah. You're doing pretty good, Jacob. Hope you're doing well.
I think I'll also save for you a little star that I made.
Okay, let me just see if I can upload this emote as is, or if it'll complain. Image file size is too large.
Oh.
It needs to be under 1 megabyte.
Then don't worry about it. I can live with it.
Yeah, so yesterday we got this this sprinter zombie looking better with the particles and stuff, and we made it so that when they crash against the wall, they get stunned. So if I bait them into hitting the wall here, if I can do it. God damn it. Yoink. Yeah, they get stunned. At the moment, it's like a second. We'll need to mess around with that. But now we need an actual effect to show that they're stunned. And it'd also be cool if they actually bounce off the wall. So instead of just stopping, they would like get bounced away. Another thing is that our sprinter VFX, the little smoke, is always active at the moment. We need to make it so that it's only active when they're running. So let's do that really quickly. Should be very easy. We have already a sprinter. Run or alert state. So if we do here.
Oh, hi, Tempting. Good morning.
Hop. Hello, Tempting.
Kind for once. Thank you.
It is very warm here today. Very warm. Okay, so we can do...
Oh no, we are imposters. I do apologize for that.
I'm done apologizing.
You're gonna wear whatever you want.
We're gonna live our life, and there's nothing you can do about it. Cavino, hello. Run particles emitting.
Brent gets pizza.
on exit, on leave, I forget. On leave.
Okay, I have uploaded a star. I've uploaded a star little PNG into the particle folder for you.
Okay. So we have our sprinter. They have the particles, and if they crash against the wall, the particles stop, and then they start back up. Perfect. Done. Only emit run particles when in running state.
Oh no! What happened here?
Your donut!
Yeah, Procreate doesn't like holes.
Why does it do that? That is so strange,
it's
though.
It's so bizarre. It's okay. We can still work with it.
Deline has decided to make a donut. Right?
It's not a donut!
It looks like a donut.
It's not a donut, it's a tire.
Low poly donut.
Tires are donuts. If you're dedicated enough, I'm sure, yeah.
If you're hungry enough.
Yes.
Mean. Yeah. Okay. Stun effect. Stun is will apply to every zombie, so it should live here. We got a Maca treat redeem.
Where is she? Oh, she's on the floor. Oh.
She's cooling down on the floor.
Where she is currently a whale cuckoo. Oh, just saw the treat and she's like, what? For moi? Just for being cute? Do I have to go to her?
Maybe. Cardinal, Selena is using Procreate for texturing 3D stuff, yeah.
Yes. And it's not great, but it's working, so I'm using that. Like I said, it really hates cutouts. But it really hates complex models. But as long as it's simple, it's been good. Cool.
Do we do the stunned effect in 3D or 2D?
Well, I put you on your low
Don't know.
bed.
Might be easier in 3D. Because like the rotating around the head, making that in 2D will be harder.
Can we go into Maca Cam?
Ish.
Behave.
Nom nom nom.
Chew it.
She's just
Wait.
swallowing them whole, one after the other.
Oh, good crunch on that one. There.
Many treats for the cuckoo.
Thank you for the treat.
Okay, so how is this gonna happen? Let's get our little star first, I guess.
After snack cleaning ritual. Hello, David. Welcome on in.
Hello.
You think you never feed the poor thing. You think she didn't literally just have lunch 10 minutes ago.
Okay, we have a little star. I guess let's do a separate 3D scene. So this would be a component. Folder stun halo component. New scene.
It's so cute.
3D scene.
She's just washing her
Stun
face.
halo component. Okay. Sprite 3D. And we give it that. We have a little star. Wow.
And it's so cute how she licks her paw and then she uses her wet paw to wash her face. She has a system.
You never feed the poor thing? Yeah. Anytime we get out of our chairs, It doesn't matter if she just had dinner. She will sprint towards the kitchen, towards her bowl.
And she'll just sit in front of the food cupboard or the bowl.
I think we make it a billboard. Yes.
Mtech says, I just learned about groups in Godot and it's amazing. Changed my life.
Groups? Like this thing? Like making nodes grouped? Oh, groups. Yes. Groups are, yes. They're huge, yeah. Oh wait, how do I? Wait for it, wait for it. He's gonna jump.
I don't know anymore.
He's calculating the trajectory. Oh.
Oh, I think she gave up.
He gave up.
Oh, wait.
Oh. The FPS is so bad.
It still looks like she's taking off.
Sprawling. Okay, so say we did this.
That's crazy.
So this is a star.
Stop.
And then it would go like this. And say we had 3 of them. And they're kind of like this. And then here we could just rotate it around the head. Something like this. There's, I don't know where the right position is. Why is this sus? This whole size is gonna be wrong. Can we, if we add a trail, so add trail renderer. We can't see it in here, unfortunately. You cannot. Do node 3D. We'll call this Y rotation container. All of these things will live in here. Trail renderer.
It's Saru, hello. Welcome. We're
Hello.
making a game.
Did you just fart?
Thank you for that fun. Our nerd is called Bob. Bobcast.
Bob.
Bobcast Pungo. You're making a game, really?
True.
Not wow.
gonna copy this and paste it in here. And then remember to make it unique so I don't break everything. Then copy this, do the same. Paste, make unique.
I think you're thinking for a name for Project Mo. Have you talked about like what you're planning to theme it around?
So, did you say it was like Balatro? Like you're trying to beat the score?
Like, what's the look? You know, that's what I mean.
Right. Right.
Because like pinball machines have themes.
Yeah,
right?
like is it gonna be cyberpunk or old school pinball? Kind of like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the heck is it?
Probably psychedelic, like Nabi. Roguelike pinball with deck building aspect. Deck building? Interesting.
There's not much in a wheel.
Space theme.
Sorry.
Space ball. Wait, I think that exists. Names can be real tough. Space balls. Let's do const rotation. Y rotation. Start with 1, whatever that means. I do not know what it means. Then process, we're gonna go Y rotation container. Rotate on the Y axis by Y rotation times delta. Oh my god.
Oh snap! It's Granger. Hello there.
Hey Granger.
Oh, that's fart. Welcome on in. How are you doing? Yup. For
Nice.
sure.
Stun Halo component. Oh my god, it's Giganticus. What have I done? Let's see what happens. How's it going, Granger? Thank you so much for the biddies. Look, they're stunned.
Hey, it's, you know, you gotta start somewhere, right?
Right?
This is exactly that. You're starting somewhere.
Okay, so the stars need to be smaller. The rotation could be faster. The trail is disgusting. Oh, whoa. Okay. We got stuff. We got stuff.
But Jacob says they like how the stars go behind their head.
Mm.
So, you know, you gotta take those wins. Am I right?
Okay. So how do we do this in a way? Okay, if I go to zombie basic.
You're gonna make them basic.
So right here, we can see the proportions. So first off, let's make a star scene so that we don't have to do it for each star. So we're gonna say, what are we gonna say?
I don't know, mate.
New scene. Let's call it Stun Halo Star. Okay. This will have a sprite 3D with the star sprite. And it was too big, so it will be scaled down. Let's not squanch it. Let's just scale it. Bala Machina or Bala Machina. Bala means dance, but it's also a pun with balls. The balls dance around the pinball machine. Bala. Is it machina or machina? That word is weird. Because you don't know how to pronounce it.
Bola.
It's Latin. So machina. I do like it, but it is one of those words where, like, am I pronouncing it right? So a problem with this is that I cannot put a shader on it if I wanted to give it an outline. But I could just ask Celine to make me one with an outline if I wanted to test that.
You want an outline?
I would like to test it if that's okay.
Yeah.
But only if that's okay.
No, yes, don't worry, I'll be happy.
So let's copy this, put this in here. Nope, put this in here. And this has the
I have to
stuff.
sneeze.
So now in here, we want to delete these ones. Get wrecked. And instead,
Thank you.
we want, let's make node 3D.
Oh, my timer. Thank you, Granger, for the reminder. I got stuff on your monitor. I'm so sorry. The sneezes. I don't control the sneezes.
Bellatrix. But then I realized how much it sounds like Balatro.
Bola.
Bellatrix. People pronounce it Bellatrix. Yeah. Yeah, B-A-L is problematic, isn't it? Starting with B-A-L and being a Balatro-like might be a bad idea. Or is it a good idea? I think it depends how much people like your game. If they love your game, they'll be like, oh, that's clever. If someone doesn't like your game, they'll be like, oh, they just copied Balatro.
True.
I'll overthrow Balatro. Do you guys pronounce it Balatro? 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 Is there an official pronunciation? Balatro. I want a way to control the radius of this programmatically.
Wow. I made your star. Oh.
So if I do star container 1, and then we instantiate the star. Thank you for my star.
You are so well.
And then we say that the star goes like over here, let's say. And then if we duplicate this and then rotate it, then we maintain the radius, which is what we want. So if we do this, we maintain the radius. Great. We do need to make this billboarded. There we go. Cool. Bala Machina sounds beautiful though. It's cool. I do agree. That's pretty cool. I pronounce it that card game that's really popular. That one poker game that's everywhere. Yeah. Everyone would know what you mean. That's a good shout.
Yes.
Sakura. Can I get a birthday shout out for Craig Hedges? It's his birthday today. He said he's going to the... I can't tell if there's a joke there. If there's a joke, it went completely over my head. I don't know who that is. If that was a joke that I missed, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It was a joke. Yeah. I have no idea what you're talking about. Is there a pun? Craig Hedges? I don't know. I give up. Okay. So we have that, which we can see here. It's a bit better in terms of proportions. We wanted to make it rotate a bit faster, but we also made it small. So a little bit faster, just a smidge. Thank you for the follow, Monochroma. Saw your podcast the other day. Congrats, you too. Thank you. Yeah,
Thanks.
that was pretty fun, right?
Yeah.
We had a good time. Just chatting away. Is there really no way for me to test the trail in editor?
There's no like magical play button. Something.
World space. Ooh, I could turn off world space. That's interesting.
Would be cool to add some y-axis movement on them as well, kind of like a curve while they spin.
Ooh, yeah. Also, their scale. Like,
yeah.
So they would bob up and down and, like, grow and subside, right?
Mm-hmm.
All the things.
A little bit of squanch, too. Yeah.
A bit of squanch. Mm-hmm.
Ultra squanch. I find your answers to be very inspirational and I learned so much. It made me more excited for your next game. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so nice. Thank you.
Okay, I don't know what this did, but it made them invisible, so there's that.
Is that good?
No.
Did you want them to be?
I would like them to be visible if possible.
Listen, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I hope it translates into roughly a tire. You know?
A rough tire?
Yeah.
I wonder if I can update the material and see it happen in real time.
Should have gone for a lower poly. This is my fault. Bro, is this scientist based on Bernardo and Marceline in the game?
I didn't dream, so I can't say anything.
Well, I mean, I feel like he now is based on you, even if that wasn't the intention.
It was weird English I just uttered.
Are you okay? But we will be in the game. We will be there. We'll be little peoples eventually.
Ah, the trail needs to be billboarded. What? Why is it there? What?
What's going on?
We will be adding ourselves to the game. At some point, right?
Yes.
Why is it down there? Below? I guess I don't want to do that. Curve, alignment, alignment view, perchance. Not sure how it works in Godot, though normally when trails are not world space, the trail would be part of the spin. Yeah, that's what I expected as well, but then they just disappeared.
Tragic.
Okay, that looks better. Okay.
Oh, it went.
Need a little bird tweety sound too. Yes! And like a crash and then tweet sounds. Oh my god. Okay, they are there, but they're going absolutely bananas. I'm using an add-on for trails, so I don't know what it's doing. So that's the problem here.
Okay.
Because I think it does make sense for it to be not world space. I say that, but if they're stunned, they're gonna be stopped. So does it matter that much if I can't do it right now? Right?
Right.
Like, they're gonna be stopped because they're stunned. Hmm. Min vertex distance. Okay. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there.
Wait, I'm dumb.
Let's do this. I'm gonna get the brighter one and then do that. Save. That's cool. This updating without me restarting. That's very useful. Ow. Ow. Just messing around until it looks decent.
Cat Sun on keyboard says, hi, I have to lurk today, but I hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you so much for leaving a little lurk.
And you too, have a great weekend.
Yeah.
Man, it looks sus. Why does it look sus?
What looks sus? The stars?
Not the stars, the trail. I mean, you can barely see it.
Yeah, I can't even see it.
Let me try the one with the outline, because I think that will look better. So we do this. What if the trail was black? Would that look dumb? Definitely like it more with the outline. And then if we did black outline, fully opaque, or I guess not black, it would be the color of this, not 100%. And then we did something like this, and then something like this. So the problem is that it's rendering in front of the star. It should never render in front of the star. Render priority. I'm afraid of messing with this render priority situation, because I think that matters for every single like world thing, not just within that scene.
It matters for the whole world.
It did work though. It did something.
Hello, Louise. Happy
Hello.
Saturday. Welcome, welcome.
I was the zombining pretty good. Working on a little stun effect. For the zombs. Let me change stun state. Well, I guess not here. It would be here. Let's change stun state to 60 seconds so we don't have to worry about it. So we're here. We make sure they can't move. Okay. Interesting. Can I fade out the trail? I wonder. So this has a appearance color gradient situation. So if I went from this to this, what happens?
Lance, thank you so much for that part.
Hello, Lance. Happy Saturday. I somehow did it the wrong
The wrong way.
the wrong way around.
Thank you again for your fart, Lance. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for the greeting fart.
You know, could be worse. Could be worse. Looks like they're stunned, right?
There is no trail though.
Yeah, it's a faint trail for sure.
Sometimes wonders sometimes what the difference is between a roguelike and a
Balatro is a roguelike, but isn't it more roguelite because you unlock new items to use on new runs? I don't think there's like a definition. Hey, why are they resisting the stun? What the heck? It's not allowed.
Oh, it looks like they have really spooky crowns.
I don't think there's a set definition, but the way I see it is it's not about unlocking new things necessarily. It's about unlocking power that makes runs easier. Right? So Balatro, you unlock a new deck, but that gives you kind of a different experience where you have to strategize differently. It doesn't necessarily just make it easier, right? No worries, Old Rod. Thanks so much for hanging out. Have a great weekend.
Have a good one.
I am stun locking the zombies, yeah. I'm trying to anyway. They're resisting for some reason.
Yeah.
Hello, chimp. Character development versus game features. Yeah. It's like power progression versus just unlocking content. Roguelike would make it easier, roguelike doesn't. Yeah. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. You know, Binding of Isaac. You unlock content. You unlock more characters and stuff. I would still consider that a roguelike because it's just different ways to play. Slay the Spire, you unlock more cards, I think. Or relics or something. You unlock stuff, but it doesn't make it easier. Risk of Rain, you unlock characters and different abilities, but doesn't make it easier. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. So for the star, we want do we do a tween? Do we do a tween?
Is that gonna make things more fun?
No, it's just a different way to animate stuff.
Oh, Lelin! My
Hello.
goodness, thank you so much.
Hello, hello. Thank you for the
Hello.
11 months.
Thank you. Almost a whole year. Oh, we're so happy to have you, Lelin.
Roguelikes typically feature permadeath with no carryover progression between runs. Roguelikes incorporate meta progression systems, allowing players to retain some upgrades or abilities across multiple playthroughs. Yeah. Yeah, you could also define it that way, sure. To me, the reason why I don't define it as meta progression is because technically unlocking more content is meta progression, but you're not making it easier still. But yeah, if you define meta progression as power creep, then yeah.
Thank you for that fart, Jeff. Welcome.
Hello. 1 month away from 2.5 years.
Yes!
For me, you unlock new items to place on your board, or you unlock new boards and stickers. But like Balatro has jokers, etc. you can unlock. Yeah. So I would say that sounds like a roguelike.
Oh, snap.
Where you're just unlocking content.
Jeff, thank you for all the farts, Lelin. Thank you for the banana redeem. I have been What about you?
Stop, don't say that.
How is this fair?
It's very fair. You're the one who caused it. You're the one responsible for this.
It's just wrong to have one banana on
I don't
stream.
think so. Okay, so how do we do a tween? So on ready, we want to tween out.
Me fart? How dare you?
Banana.
My point sadly lacking to give banana justice.
Yes!
I mean, I could always do it, but I feel like that's easy.
That is illegal. Oh my god, I can't type today. Ah!
Alright.
Today. This is not even what I want. What am I doing?
What are you doing? Whoa. Thank you again for that fart.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you for the hydrate.
Banana.
Yeah, it's really warm today.
No way! Zeno!
There's no way.
Can I get a yay?
Oh my god. I will remember this, Seto.
Hello, how are you? Hope you're having a great Saturday. I sure am right now. This is fantastic. We love it.
No.
Historic moment right here. And now it's a party. Hey, Goob. Welcome, welcome.
Goob.
I'm well. Hope the dev is treating you good. Yes.
Well, apparently I'm incapable of hitting keys correctly today, which is very fun.
I mean, I'm doing okay. Well, the Procreate situation is not great, but
Sorry, I farted.
Ranger, thank you so much for the 69-bit fart.
Ah. Do 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 do.
Semtic is locking in with Bella Machina,
Oh
making
damn!
the Steam page. Oh snap!
Nice
Good stuff.
I agree that sounds pretty cool. That name
Hey,
sounds pretty cool.
yeah. I mean, we did change. You know, if you do change your mind, I think you can change it. We did change ours in
True.
our Steam page.
True.
Oh my gosh, this hat is so warm.
How does one loop? Loop a tween.
Oh, tempting. You're going to.
Set loops.
I see.
Set loops 0 is infinite.
That's fair enough. You don't wanna pay extra
No,
if you don't have to.
Loop while true.
What in the world is going on in this texture?
How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Oh,
Let's find out. 1,
Excuse me.
2.
Goob, you are excused. Thank you so much for the Tootsie Roll fart.
Thank you, Goob. Thank you, Teptic, for the gift.
Hey, thank you, Tempting, for the gift to Seto.
Oh my goodness. What is happening? Enjoy the emotes, Seto. I don't think the tween is tweening.
Have you what's that thing I always ask? Have you called your functions and all of your things?
You know, I actually did.
Wow. Oh. Trickster Bite, thank you for that part. Perfect emote use, indeed.
The stars are supposed to be like growing and shrinking. But they're not doing this.
Lolan asks, have you just tried fixing the mistake? It always fixes my problem.
That was a certified nerd. Let's go.
Yes. Okay, I think I'm like overthinking this tire. I think this is absolutely fine and I can move on with my life.
What if I don't loop?
I mean, it looks kind of sus. Dark.
Not working.
It's not working.
It's looking great. My goodness. Thank you, Seto.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're kind of just doing little bits that we can. Can I get thoughts on this wheel? Quick thoughts.
We recently animated this guy right here. The zombie sprinter. That was fun. Very wheelie. Looks like a tire. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, good enough.
Yeah.
Ignore the middle part is just jank because
Yeah.
Procreate is weird.
I think that looks good.
Yeah, it's identifiable enough as a tire.
Or a donut. One of the two.
It's not a donut.
A burnt donut.
Not a donut. Okay, perfect though. I'll move on with my life and we'll go do the barrel now. Fantastic.
So it's a donut.
Stop.
I don't think the depth of the tire tracks is legal though.
Probably not. Where'd my barrel go?
Why is my tween not tweening? What am I missing here?
Wow, barrel.
Am I doing something dumb? Because I'm just trying to tween here.
And if you were a barrel next to the garage, what color would you be? It's going through a face. Rusted yellow. Donut hats needed. Oh, don't tempt me.
I don't think you need to get tree to make tweens. Oh, that's a good point. That's a very good point. I think you do that for timers, not for tweens. It's not. Oh. That's my bad.
What's up?
That's my bad.
What'd you do?
Scale is not a float, it's a vector.
Oh. Whoa.
I have done this mistake many a time. Many a time. Yes. Yes. Whoops.
Bada bing, bada boom. Look at this rusted barrel. Oh, that was too much.
My face is so warm right now. It's crazy. You think that's funny?
I think it's hilarious. One of the classic blunders that keeps us all humble.
And his name is
Oh my
John C.
god!
Listening to get donut hats.
Not the John Cena part. The John Cena part. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, Googling donut hats right now. Let me see. Let me see what I can come up with.
Great journey for the biddies.
Also, welcome buttermilk pancakes.
Lurkers
hope-
just got shook. Oh my god. Goose has scared the F out of me. Buttermilk pancake, welcome in.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Ah. Jesus. Whew.
I've put a photo of a donut hat on the stream chat. What do you think of that?
Why are we talking about hats again? God. That looks like a donut.
She's wearing it with such gusto.
Does it say I'm a first time chatter on y'all's end? It does not. It does not. Hey, it's working. It's tweening. We're tweening.
Goose probably mentioned donuts. He's gonna go into banana phylactic shock, not this.
Banana.
Why are bananas? Pocket Oracle, I wish I could. I mean, I know exactly why we're bananas. It's because I said we needed more hats. Then we held a public vote. And obviously the public vote resulted in bananas. And now we are bananas. This is what happens.
I had someone tell me the other day I was first time chatter and was confused. Yeah, no, all good here. Game's going good, yeah. Yeah. We just getting through it. We added a bunch of upgrades. We have done more work on the environment. So we did this little area. That looks pretty cool. We are currently working on this area here. Things are laggy for some reason. I think it's the trails. We did this. We're currently working on this area for the garage.
Garage.
What did we do? We implemented a system for opening containers. So now you can get stuff from the map. Once you have relevant items, you can open new safe zones. So like I got a crowbar, so now I can open this shed.
I need to design some UI for that. Eventually, I keep forgetting.
We made it so you can level up safe zones. So like there's a little XP bar. When it levels up, it pops out more upgrades. Yeah, just plodding along. One day at a time.
Yup.
So that's your banana, not my banana.
Oh, I'm free?
You are.
Whee!
Say I wanted to randomize the animation of the bananas.
Of the bananas?
Of the stars. Not the bananas. The stars. The stars.
He's got banana on his mind.
Banana.
Banana's life.
I think I'm gonna just do something completely random. We're gonna go
Banana.
That is such a wonderful
Ah,
turn of events
my
right there.
God.
Ba 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 banana.
Mm, 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 mm. I'm just gonna do that.
Yeah. You're just gonna do that.
Random bananas.
Oh no, this didn't work.
Ba banana.
Wait, they look like they're in sync, don't they? Hmm. Interesting.
The bananas.
Banana, bum, banana.
Yes. You wouldn't download nerds with ba 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 ba.
Okay, it looks like they're stunned. It does the job. I think it does the job.
Food's ready.
Enjoy.
I hope your food is delicious.
Oh, I'm free. What am I doing?
You are free for now.
Oh my god, it's so warm.
Whew.
Oh boy. Works. They're stunned.
Why is the trail black?
I don't know. I thought it looked decent like that.
Oh,
You want it yellow?
I don't want it black.
Okay.
Sorry. I thought that was just so you could see it while you were working on it.
So aggressive.
I'm sorry.
Fine, yes. I'm incompetent. Just say it.
No.
Just say it. Say it to my face.
I just wasn't sure what the goal was.
I wonder. Could I give it an outline? That could be
I don't know,
pretty
can you?
interesting. Let's try it. Raining here today. Did you plan to go out? Do you enjoy rain? I guess is my question. So that's how it looks yellow.
Yeah.
You prefer it like that?
Yes.
Okay. The anti-aliasing is disgusting though. And the outline did in fact not work. Unfortunately. I work in approximately 8 hours. Okay. So rain, not so good. I just want to see it. I want to see the trail in the editor. How am I supposed to style it if I can't see it? What if I... No, that's not what I wanted to do. Go away. If I do this, play. Then I go here. And I stun them. And I pause. And then I go like this. If I were to change the material color, for example. Aha! Okay, this works. Can I make it always on top easily? That would be really useful. I don't think I can. That would be a great setting to have on this. Always on top, so I can click the editor and still see it.
Sorry.
Let me see if I can do this. So next pass, standard material,
I don't know if I like this color of barrel.
albedo, this color, grow 1.1. That not do anything. Yeah, but you see, now I don't trust it. Because I don't know if it is updating or not. I don't trust it.
You don't trust it at all.
See? It was doing something.
Oh. Cursed.
Works like a charm.
Ship it.
It's in front.
Hello, North Pole Light, and yeah, we're very much melting over here too. It's really hot.
Yeah, very warm. What am I even trying to do?
You know,
I don't know.
I'm not so sure myself.
Oh, an outline. That's right. I'm trying to give the trail an outline. How would I do that? I mean, I'm sure a shader would be the way to go.
Probably a shader.
Ship it. How's it going, Johnson? Random lines from another dimension. Problem is, I don't know how the trail works. It's not my code. Maybe I have to make my own.
I was gonna say, make it your code.
The outline shaders don't like the trail. They don't like it. But here looks good. In the material preview, looks fantastic.
Have you tried clicking random buttons and seeing what happens?
I have not. I have not. I don't want to fight with that right now. Okay, is this good enough?
Ba 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 na 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 ba ba.
Hey, yesterday you were saying that's how you solve all of your problems.
That's true. I just feel like the yellow is really strong. I don't know. The yellow does not look right to me. You think this looks good?
And make it skinnier.
Make it skinnier. Make it a little bit transparent as well, maybe?
Yeah.
How do I... That's better.
Yeah, it's supposed to be subtle. Remember, the more subtle, the better.
Hmm. Okay. Enough.
But also, this is just the first.
Yeah,
pass.
too much messing around with this little thing. Okay, so we need a couple things here. One is a way to activate the trail and deactivate it as well. Oh, do we also want to control the between? Probably. So instead of on ready, we probably want a start animation or animation start. Enable. Disable. On enable, we start the animation and we activate the trail renderer.
Oh, that was too much.
Which needs to be off by default. On disable, we do scale between dot kill and we stop
Whoa.
emitting, maybe.
Huh?
Then here, which is the parent component, we need the same thing. You can do var enabled is a boolean, starts off false. On process, if enabled, you can rotate. Then we need an enable and a disable. So on enable, we need to enable every star and change the state and probably like fade in the whole thing. For now, before considering the animation, let's just do enabled true. Show. We can also do a on ready. We make sure it's hidden. On disable, we do enabled false and hide. Then we need to enable the stars as well. So let's do function change star state. Enabled boolean returns nothing, and we can do let's do something like on ready var stars is an array of star halo, stun halo star, and then we just get them somehow. Um, sure. So 4-star in stars. Star. Oh. If
Let's save these.
start enable if enabled, else star dot disable. Then we could do some helper functions. Enable stars, which calls change star state to true. And then same thing. Disable stars changes it to false. And in here we do enable stars, disable stars.
I'll rename.
Okay. Cool beans.
Oh. I did a dumb.
Oh no. Ideally, we don't even want to do this, though. We don't want process to be running if this isn't doing anything. I mean, it's going to be... It's a Boolean check. It's not that bad. But... I don't know. It doesn't feel right. Should I make sure that process mode is disabled? And then on enable, we change it to normal. We could do that. Sure. Okay, so here we have our stun halo component. Let's go to our stun. In here we can grab it. Nope. We don't need to do that here because we have a state machine. Wow. We'll grab it here. And then we'll say on enter, enable the stun component. On leave, stun disable. So now they don't have the stun effect anymore. If I stun them, they get it. And I have the stun set to 60 seconds. So I need to change that. So they're fine. They get stunned. And then they're not stunned. They get stunned. And then they're not stunned. Okay. Let's see how we could animate this. So to fade it in, we don't have a modulate or anything like that. Node 3Ds can't be You can't modify their alpha. That means that in order to do the fading, I would need to do it on the individual stars. So in the star, we already have enable, disable. So we can do a var alpha do we use alpha now that I'm thinking about it?
How are the nerdy nerds today? We're doing good, thank you.
Hello. Pretty good. Just game devin.
Hope you're having a good Saturday.
Making some burnt donuts.
I'm sorry, what?
We're making burnt donuts.
No, we're not. Listen.
I can maybe do that here. So on here we can do scale. Yeah. Scale.
Okay. Maka, we're okay. Do you need anything? Are you okay up there?
Maka just meowed really loudly.
I feel like she'll have, like, she was dreaming.
She was dreaming, yeah.
And, like, she must have had some sort of weird dream or something. And I guess she wakes up, like, I don't know.
Yeah.
From a nightmare?
Mm.
Could it be? Is that possible?
I think what we want to do is on ready. We set the sprite scale to vector dot 0. Hopefully that won't cause problems. Then scale animation start. We'll scale the stars to the initial scale over the course of a random range. Then we await scale tween. Not finished.
You know what?
We can take this out.
I did not expect to finish those two assets that quickly, so...
We need the cable for the thing. We need something for the spitter to spit.
I was gonna make the spitter human.
Yeah,
Doodle.
that too.
Yeah. This is not the refined version of him yet, but you know, we still want to have a placeholder or human.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine his human version he has like a full, like luscious, long hair. Because the cure is that restorative. Okay, I must nap after snack. Keep
Ooh.
being awesome, peeps.
Enjoy your nap.
Also banana. Well, thank you, thank you.
Welcome back, Tempted.
Welcome back.
So then
I
here
kinda wanna
we
take a nap, too.
animate the scale back to 0. Quick.
Quick.
Quick. We'll make it random. Why not? Random is good. So here, instead of doing that, we do this.
Welcome back, Tempted.
Let's see what this would do. So, not stunned, stunned. So they scale up from 0, which I think looks good. We need this to be delayed though. Which I guess we could just put here. Sure. So I guess this is just animation end, animation start. It's no longer just about scale. And then here we can say animation end returns a signal, and then we return no, this is just problematic all round. Let's not do that. Let's go over here and say that on disable, going to wait. I need to find a way of like gracefully dealing with these kinds of timeouts. Yeah, so instead of fading, I'm using scale. So the idea, if this works, is scale them up, scale them down. Scale them up, scale them down. The problem is the trail. The trail is sus. The trail is very sus. Because it just poofs out of existence. Why does it do that? I wouldn't expect it to poof out of existence. I would expect it to stop emitting and then the trail just like fades out, like subsides. But I guess it doesn't work like that. I would need to like modify the lifetime, perhaps. Ugh.
Sounds like a lot.
Yeah. That's okay. I'll figure it out later. We got a little bit of an animation going. So if we test it on our sprinter nerd. Okay, can't see there.
Temptic. I'm
needs
not
placing.
quite sure what you're. What do you mean? Like, didn't you design like logos or something like that at work? I work in packaging. I am an art worker, so I don't design though. I take designs from the design team and I build them from scratch in a way that is printable, in a way that will work for the printers. So I basically take on like digital designs and make them feasible for print.
God damn it.
Looking for someone who could help me with logo design. Oh, yes. Yeah. I mean, I did design our logos for the game, for our games, but I'm not a designer. Oh. It was someone we played with the other day. Yeah. I would say you are a designer. Oh, thank you, Cobb. I definitely try. I just don't do it professionally.
Hey, it's working. Hits the wall, and the stars appear where they should appear. Okay. Couple warnings. Enable this shadowing. Right. Standalone ternary operator. The return value is being discarded.
Ah!
Fine.
You're going like this. Your thumbs are pointing toward.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing the human. Right.
You see?
That would be pretty cursed if the thumbs were pointing outwards. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I don't know if thumbs work.
All right. Shipping it. Added stun VFX.
Wow. You know what you can add next?
What?
You can add the 3D models I just made. Whoa.
Okay. Fine. What do we got? The tire?
Yes. And the barrel.
The tire and the barrel.
Yeah.
Damn.
This doesn't feel right here.
So, where would that go? Objects. Folder, tire. Environment, props, tire. Tire, gulb.
Indeed.
We have a tire. Make a new scene. Call it tire. The tire will actually be a static body because we need a collision shape. We then add the model itself. Make that local. So that we can do some stuff on it. We're going to modify the material to have it not be shiny.
Don't be shiny.
We're going to give it a outline shader. And then we're going to set the collision shape to cylinder. Okay. We have a tire.
Oh.
So now if we go over to the garage, do you have any idea what you want to do with those? Do I just do whatever?
I mean, I just did this.
Yep. I can do that.
But then I'm happy.
Gonna make a new node object. Then I'm gonna make a new node. Call it tires. Move that over here. Then I'm going to instantiate a tire.
Whoa, there it is.
One tire, two tire, which we offset a little bit and like do a little bit of this. Something like that.
Sure.
And then another one.
Donuts!
And this one is like propped up on the other one.
Yeah. Welcome, Ben. Thank you so much for that fart.
Hello. Ooh, could also play with the scale. So this one could be smaller. Be a different kind of tire.
I'm not sure about the scale in general. I just did a scale that I thought, right?
Okay.
But I'm not an
We'll see how
expert
it
in
feels.
cars.
Nice. Who cares? Okay.
Can't afford to make you wear a hat thing. Oh, fantastic. I mean, oh, I'm so sorry.
Let's look at the navigation here. Looks fine.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't interrupt the area that you need. It doesn't.
No, it's fine.
Someone help me out. No! It's too hot for hats.
It's too hot. Looks good. Looks very good. I like this scale.
How do you feel about the mini tire?
Is it weird? Do you think it's weird? Looks like a tire to me. I don't know.
I'm asking because I don't know either. I just noticed that it's a different size, but I don't know if that's normal. I'm not around tires enough.
I can make it not as small. You think it's sus?
It's gonna be 41 degrees here tomorrow. Yikes.
Let's also take this. We'll copy pasta. And then we'll do that.
The barrel's gonna go.
Why not both?
You can do both. The doc just had a lot of spare tires, you know. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay. New folder. Barrel.
Yes.
Barrel. Bulb.
A barrel of fun.
Create scene. We want it to be a static body. Barrel. Flashbang. Thank you, Godot. Appreciate it. Collision shape. Barrel.
Barrelito.
Looks great. Here we want another cylinder.
Wow, it's almost perfect.
Right? Thus.
Sus.
Ooh, I forgot to mess with this stuff.
The metallicness?
No.
But it's a barrel.
No, not the metallicness. The collision layers.
Did you remember to do that for the tires?
I just did.
Well, sir, I look at things like 3 to 4 seconds delayed.
My
I'm
answer still
sorry.
stands.
I'm sorry.
Barrel. Whoa.
Is it massive?
It looks kind of tiny next to the tires.
Tiny! Wait. That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't?
maybe it makes sense. You scale it up a little bit.
You want me to scale it up?
Yeah, it looks tiny.
I don't know. Let's look at it in game.
Or maybe it's just like a really big tire. It's just one of those.
Tractor tires.
Yeah.
I guess they look tiny.
Yeah, I think they gotta be bigger. That's my bad. I made it to be just under window height, thinking that that was a good size.
Isn't it great that we can just do that though?
Because it's a 3D asset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine that's pixel art. You have to redraw the thing.
That would be very painful.
Is it still too tiny?
I don't think they changed at all.
Oh, wait. Maybe they didn't. Yeah. Wait, what?
What's happening?
I don't know.
You gotta transform them individually?
I'm confused. Because they're definitely bigger here.
Sure.
Why? What? Huh?
You called your functions.
I'm just deleting them. Sus.
You're still playing the game. What game?
Do, do, do,
Oh!
do,
Apparently you were still playing the game. That's what, I think that's what.
Yes, the game is running, but that shouldn't matter. It's updated now. It was wrong in the editor as well, and the node type was wrong. Something was wrong.
Something was clearly wrong. That's good. I think that's a good size.
Okay. So barrel. Put one here. I don't know if it'll be visible. Because it's like... Oh no, but the perspective makes it visible, right?
I think so. You'll see a little bit of it.
So if you're coming from this direction, you see it, and then it like gets covered. That's cool. That's cool. That's why perspective is completely different from orthographic camera. Happy with the size?
Happy? I think the assets look good.
Yeah. More barrels?
Oh. Getting damn cold.
and grass. I mean, probably most of this will turn to road at some point, so most of these props won't be there anymore. There we go.
Yay!
Pretty cool.
Yeah, just need some planks on the window, and I need to make the cable and the door, the garage door as well.
We'll need to texture the window. Wait, did you say that?
Yes, cover it up with boards with planks.
Right. Probably also need like some sort of glass. We need to decide how we style the glass, both here and in the greenhouse. Should follow some norm.
I mean, I think the greenhouse is different because you want
can
to
see,
see, you
yeah.
want to go in and see in, but this one
Yeah.
you don't want to see inside. So this
Yeah.
is just opaque. Yeah.
Yeah, assets look good. There is this weirdness with the low number of faces. I don't know if we
But then
care.
you see that it's a low poly.
Yeah, like you see each individual face because of the lighting.
Don't know if we care. Yeah.
Is
I'm
it
not sure?
is it difficult to change now that you've textured it? Textured
What
it?
do you want?
Like if you added more faces?
Yeah, it'll probably ruin my texture.
Right. I don't think we care right now.
I can shade smooth.
It's just the lighting. Because of the lighting, each face has its own distinct shade. Kind of makes a weird effect.
Yeah, it messes with this with the thing.
Mm.
I just was trying to keep things low poly.
Yeah, no, I think that
purpose.
is a good idea, yeah. But we do have to consider that kind of stuff, I guess. I don't know why here it's not as visible. Oh, it is. I guess it's just the light. How it hits this light. How it hits this light on this corner versus that.
Because the tire has it too.
Yeah. Yeah, not sure if it's the angle or the color that kind of
Makes it stand out.
highlights it, yeah. Yeah, no. It's fine. Cool. Currently 34.5 outside. Oof.
Apparently it's 30 here. But it's cloudy.
I mean, it's been nice going out in the sun,
Yeah.
but the apartment is
It's really
not
hot.
very comfortable.
Yeah.
Nice. Looking good? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's interesting. I'm stuck. What? Help.
He went into a forbidden zone.
Help.
Did you bake your mash? Did you rebake it?
The player does not use the baked goods.
The player does not respect the bake. Listen, it's Makuku's dinner time. I don't know if she's looking at me with one eye and pretending not to listen, but I'll give her.
Maybe using individual collision shapes for each tire is a bad idea.
Oh, you need to make like a collection, like a group.
Yeah, so I'll use like one box instead of 3 cylinders, which are rotated and scaled and all that stuff. Yeah, that sounds like a terrible idea. I should not do that. Okay. So that means that tire then becomes just a node without a collision shape. So no longer have a collision shape. And then we take this and we say save branch as seen. Then we do tire group. And then here we say this is a static body which has a collision shape. And that collision shape is what? Do I do a sphere? Maybe a capsule on its side. Like that.
Mr. Zombie with the why so tired?
Give it 2. Yeah, I suppose that would work. I'm melting, yep. Same here. Very warm.
Definitely a little bit uncomfortably warm, not gonna lie.
Okay. So do that. Copy, put it here. Delete that. Save. Play. Nope. Well, that's fine. And we're good. Very smooth. Thank you for that follow.
Thank you.
Let's rebake the mesh. That's good.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Zombie. I think it's looking really cool. Like, the more detail and things we add, it's really starting to, like, look kind of profesh, isn't it? No.
Have you seen our latest Mr. Zombie? We just animated this fella.
He's got wheels now, like proper wheels.
Beady boy.
Look at him go.
I think I need to speed up the changing of the textures.
Yeah, I think it could go a bit faster. He's like, it's really cool. I appreciate that.
Okay, let's commit added tires and barrels to garage. To the garage.
To the garage.
Printer. And in here we have the run animation. Oh, we have the run animation.
The garage. Say it like a proper Brit.
Garage.
Garage.
So what do we do? We would go like this just to make it. I wonder if there's a way to make this easier. The whole like alternating. Okay, is this the same as that? It is. Crap. That means that you have to go there. It doesn't have to be perfect as well, I suppose. Yeah. That's fine. Oh yeah, that's better. Now he's drifting. Wily zombie. Hey, didn't get stunned that time. He's cheating. Ow. Okay. Sped up sprinter wheel animation. Let's try and make them bounce off the walls when they get stunned.
They're just gonna bounce. Maka's so happy she just had her dinner. She's not just hanging out on the floor. I thought you should know this.
Who is who?
I'm me.
And I'm me. Hello. Me is I. I'm doing the programming. Celine is doing the art.
I'm doing art.
Glad you cleared that up.
Yes. Oh, you have this guy. You can put him in.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Just a PNG for now, you know? Just a little pinga.
Bunga.
Pinga. You know, we're trying to keep it loose. We're trying to keep it prototypey, but you know, we're gonna come back to this and make him look a little bit more polished later. Yes.
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 Bob test facing the wrong way. Let's go.
Oh my god! Listen, which way do you want them to face?
They have to face the right. That's how your sheets are.
But it's so much fun to draw them facing the other way.
It's so much fun to randomly draw them in the direction that you feel like at the time.
Oh no. Flip it. Just flip
Wait,
it.
what is this clip? I will flip it. It's okay. It's okay.
Just so I don't cause awkward
Oh
situations.
no. This clip is illegal, Temtic. That's illegal.
That's illegal.
Okay, so we do this.
And thank you so much for the follow.
We take this out. We make them not purple anymore.
What if they wanted to be purple? What if they were just...
No.
She's an artist.
We do this.
I just be doing things for the
do
vibes.
this. And then we can just do one of these and no one will know. So we have idle, which does nothing. We have turn, which works. Then over here we have run, which is this.
Run.
It's a very old.
That's how I run. Right? If you don't run like this, like what are you doing?
After a banquet, that's how I run.
Banquet. I've never been to a banquet.
After ordering too much from McDonald's. Look at him go.
Oh,
He's big.
he's big. He's scaled up.
He is?
Well, yeah, because isn't that what happened last time? Like, because you were scaling up the regular zombies, so they were so the scales were all thrown off.
No.
No?
That's just who they are. Imagine accusing them of being scaled up. That's rough.
The last time they were scaled up.
They're not scaled up. Let me spawn both.
He is the same height as
Oh
Linguini.
my god, yeah, he's massive.
If he's bigger than Linguini, then he's scaled up.
But where did I scale them up? Oh, I found it.
See? I told you. Trying to pin it on Salini.
Your accusation has proven true. Oh, he's so tiny.
Oh, he's too small.
No, it's good. It's good. Yeah, they're still way,
Like the
way
scale
taller.
version.
They're still taller than the normal zombies, so it's okay, I think. I might sneakily scale them up again. Just a little bit.
Camille, hello. We're just adding a little doodle of our bitter zombie.
Mm-hmm.
He ate too many medical instruments.
Kind of like the bouncy animation, not gonna lie. Like, the game could just be that. We would have saved ourselves so much time by just making them bounce.
I mean, we can make them all bounce now. He's throwing ketchup bottles.
Okay. Do I also have the human version, or?
I'm drawing that.
Oh, you're drawing that.
right now.
I think that Capybara game does animations like that. Survivor's like one. Yeah. Capybara.
Capybara.
Extremely powerful capybaras. Is that the one? There's like a little leg. There's like 2 leg frames, and then the rest is just squanch. What have we done? They did 2 frames. We did like 4 frames plus hand animating. Oh god. What have we done to ourselves? It's worth it. It's gonna be worth it.
We can always rein it back in, you know.
No. The enemies just hop. Yeah, that's smart. That's smart. Thing is, we're also locked into humanoid enemies. But if it was like a fantasy setting or whatever, that's when you bring in the slimes, you know? Slimes are your best friend.
You're not wrong there.
No appendages of any kind. What? They were stunned. Oh, because I have my hack is still on. Why are they all olives? Was that just random? Nope. Wait. Yes. It just happened that they were all olives.
Secret olives.
Sus.
Secret olives.
Secret olive, secret olive.
Yes! Nice. It worked.
Okay. Added spitter test sprite. Right. I was gonna try and bounce this nerd. Yes.
What did he ever do to you?
So the way this works is we have a physics process. Checks velocity, it checks geometry. It does all that on its own. Wait, but what is that? What does that matter? That's not. Because here, I'm in this state where they're sprinting towards the player. And then somewhere in here. Okay, so here I detect that they've hit a wall. And they're supposed to get stunned. So there's this check geometry function which accepts the velocity and then returns 0 if there was a collision. That's kind of dumb. I think instead it should return the normal of said collision. That would make more sense. Yes. So how do I get the normal from a ray query, a physics ray query? We run intersect ray, which returns a dictionary with the following fields. Normal. The object surface normal at intersection point. Uh-huh. So instead of doing this, we can do return pushing, well, let's do collisions. If collisions is not empty, take the first one and return its normal. And then this can go, and this would return if there were no collisions, just return 0? We can try. Will that happen if they bump into another zombie? No. They kind of push past. Let me show you. Kind of hard to describe. Although things might be completely broken now. Are they gonna be broken? Yes, I broke everything. Please hold. But yeah, they like push aside the lesser zombies. So they like forge a path through the horde. Normal in a stream full of nerds. We need our normals.
There you go.
So here.
Oh,
Nice.
I gave him a little.
Nice. Looks great. I like it.
Yeah. It's just a doodle.
Hmm?
Well, better with draw him.
Mm-hmm.
Reminds me of my old boss.
Aki, hello.
Hello, arcade closed. The nerds are here.
How's it going, nerds?
Hello, welcome.
Hope you had a great stream. Diamode, hello. What were you nerds up to?
Oh, hello. Thank you. How's it going, nerds? We were playing the new Backpack Battle update.
Ooh.
Oh, you enjoy Backpack Battle?
Yeah,
don't you?
yeah, great game. What's new? What did they add? I've not played in quite a while. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so if I spawn a bunch of zombies and then I spawn the sprinter, you can see how they... Okay, where's the sprinter? Oh, I probably broke them too. God damn it. I broke everything.
Oh no. Yeah, it was fun. 2 new classes and a lot of items.
Nice.
All right, that's great.
I should install it again sometime. There'll be tons of new stuff for me. That's awesome. We've been working on our zombies over here, as you can see. Adding to our zombie variety.
Brosferatu, that is a wonderful name. I love it. Very creative. Getting Kill Entertainment vibes from this really cool art style. Well, thank you so much.
Play Entertainment. Yeah, that's a huge compliment.
Huge.
Thank you. Clay being the people that do Don't Starve and things like that.
Yeah, these are the kind of concept doodles for our spitter zombie. And we were kind of discussing like what he spits at you.
Yeah.
And you said you wanted it to be like all sorts of food things.
Yeah, I like the thought of just rotten food.
Just rotten food.
Moldy sandwich, like an apple's core, stuff like that. Chicken leg, I don't know.
Oh, good. Why not?
It's like it's gross, but it's not that aggressive.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like getting hit with a moldy sandwich, it wouldn't hurt physically. It might hurt you
Emotionally.
So that's what we're going for. I guess that's the aim is emotional damage.
Yeah. The slap of the bread. Yeah, we thought it'd be funny to add a sandwich just for the Cat Cafe nod.
Good point. Good point.
Exactly. Exactly, Goob. We will run ads soon.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. I
We
am
do have
sorry
to run
about
them.
this.
Apologies.
Did someone say sandwich?
Spit ingredients from SCC.
For Cat Cafe?
Oh, right. SCC. Oh, that's cool. I never heard our name being referred to with an acronym.
Acronyms for your own
That's
game.
cool. That feels good. Thank you, Goop.
Makai's like in peak heat wave mode right now.
Heat wave mode.
Imagine not knowing your own game. Isn't that wild?
I mean, I have been neglecting it. I'm supposed to work on it more than I currently do.
But we're trying to get this off the ground right now, right?
Yeah.
So imagine Bernardo singing
StarCraft was
StarCraft.
absolutely the first one that came to mind. Like, what kind of food did they have in StarCraft?
Wow.
Throwing Zerg bits? Okay, so if I did zombie velocity equals collision normal times, I don't know, a random force, let's say 3. Let's just see what happens. I'm sure it's gonna be great.
Yes, I'm sure it's gonna be.
So, oh no, they're still broken. It's not great at all. They're stuck. Oh! Oh!
He was just drifting.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds? Oh, it's a dictionary. Right.
Is out of bounds, dude?
Wait, no. What am I doing? What the heck am I doing? Object is a dictionary. Right. So it's less. It's just collision. Collision if collision. The returned object is a dictionary. What? If the radio is then the empty dictionary is returned. Okay. So if it's not empty, then collision dot normal. Okay. Fine.
Jesus.
Why am I doing this? Do I need to do that? Man, this code base is gonna get so insane.
Yeah.
So freaking insane.
Have you started doing all the refactoring that you want to be doing?
I did a bunch of it this morning.
At what point are we gonna be thinking controller support and all that fun stuff?
Not today will be my answer for a while.
Yes, of course.
Not today. I don't know. I'm not worried about it though. Having done it once, like I don't. Whenever we decide to tackle it, we'll just get it done.
Okie dokie.
So I think this was correct. I don't think I need that. I hope I don't need that. Then in stunned state, on physics process, we can say zombie velocity move toward velocity, no, move toward vector 3 0 over the course of, or no, by delta. From 2. Move toward from to delta. The function signature. Oh, it needs the delta.
Doors. I keep on forgetting about doors.
We want this dot move toward vector 3.0. Okay, I got there. Returns a new vector. Returns a new vector by the fixed delta amount. Returns a new vector moved towards 2 by the fixed delta amount. Is that length? Is that percentage? That must be length. That must be length. So if the pushback is 3 meters per second and I wanted it to decay over a second, I would do move towards 0 by 3 meters times delta. Maybe. Who knows? Not me.
Are you?
It worked. Did it actually work? Hold up. So they go and hit. The normal worked. They went away from the wall. That was cool. Oh, that's neat. Okay. We're getting somewhere here.
Nice.
Let's push harder. So let's do 5 meters per second. And then here we do something like this. Not bad. Imagine like an impact VFX, sound, all that stuff, right? Looks clean. Thank you, Goob. I think it's pretty close.
Here comes the vibes. Changed my username. Well, welcome.
Hello.
Captain Mats, hello.
Hello. Happy Saturday. Oh yeah, I'm digging that. We got a new zombie, yeah. I'm currently working on the behavior for when they're sprinting and they hit a wall. They like bounce off the wall and get stunned for a bit. That's what we've been working on. Speedy, Sonic Speed. Well, his programming name is Sprinter Zombie. His nickname is Linguini. Is this a Don't Starve spin-off? Not quite.
No.
As you can see, there's no starving here. Look at this guy. Assets gave that vibe. The art and the 2.5D setup is definitely inspired by games like Don't Starve and Cult of the Lamb, games like that.
And just cartoons in general. Yeah.
Zombies always be starving. True. They always want more. Yeah, we are inspired by those games, but we'd hope that what we're doing here feels unique.
Yeah.
We definitely want to carve our own path here.
I think it's different.
I think so too. Yep, I'm hungry. We have some pork belly to cook today.
Got a Coke today.
It's gonna be good though. It's gonna be good. Saturday treat. I think it feels unique. You can definitely see the inspiration, but it does not look like a clone of those games at all. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, we went in a more, like Celine was saying, cartoon direction. We've also been inspired by things like Dexter, Invader Zim, Powerpuff Girls. There's this game, #Blood. The art is incredible. Also been looking at that for inspiration. So yeah, there's a lot of different inspirations for it. There's a whole wall of inspirations actually.
Yeah.
There's Don't Starve. Cult of the Lamb. That's a dog.
Yeah, I'm kind of trying to be somewhere in the middle. There's a dog.
Rotwood is really nice. I still want to play this game just to see the art in full HD glory.
Oh yeah.
Looks really beautiful. Forgot about #blood. We need more games with this cartoon style. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we couldn't do quite that because that level of hand-drawn frame-by-frame animation is just so much work.
So much.
We don't have the capacity right now.
I don't have the animation expertise to do that.
It's a lot. So we compromised.
Oh.
Let's say. He says it's not inspired from Don't Starve, and look at that. I said we are inspired.
We just said just not only that.
Yeah.
There's multiple others.
We are definitely inspired by Don't Starve.
Yeah, like my aim for the art direction is to kind of be somewhere between Don't Starve and Cult of the Lamb, where I feel Don't Starve is definitely leaning more into like this like darker vibes. Obviously the theme of the game, everything. It's a little bit more Tim Burton-esque, where I feel Cult of the Lamb starts to be a little bit softer, a little bit like sillier. I kind of want to be a little bit in the middle, so you know, because it's zombies, I still want it to be a little bit edgier, but I still want it to be silly.
Yeah.
I still want it to be primarily silly and goofy, hence why it's more cartoony.
Yeah.
More vibrant colors.
And that's often, we get a lot of people mentioning Plants vs. Zombies as well.
Exactly.
Which shares that goofiness.
Yeah.
Like light-hearted zombies. Ooh. I just added the hit flash to hitting the wall. It's so good.
Yeah, I like that.
Makes such a big difference.
Also, if anyone watching is liking the game, the vibes, please feel free to give it a wish list. We do have a Steam page for it.
Yes. I think I'm happy with this.
I think
Look at that.
it's more than communicating what's happening. I think that's great. The hit flash is good.
Bonk.
Love how you guys are remaking your old game. You made some years ago when, but I love how it looks now. Yeah, so we did the game jam in 2023 question or 2024. I don't remember.
It was last year, 2024.
Last year.
January 2024. Yeah.
Hey, Maka.
We actually recently published a devlog.
Oh, we did, yeah.
The first episode of our devlog series. So if you are Dr. J Fair interested, you know, we're going to be trying to catch up with the devlog so you see the whole journey. But you can see the beginnings over there.
Yeah. What do you think about this for our placeholder zombie art?
To do art, eat. I like it. Ship it.
Brains?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
It's a quality to-do list.
Hey, you know, we need to make it clear that this is placeholder. Look at it's gonna have some nails.
Chunky fingers.
Brains.
Loving the good vibes in here. I'm glad I found your channel. Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's so kind. Thank you so much.
Appreciate that.
We try to keep it lighthearted and wholesome. Sometimes it's chaotic, but you know. Good vibes.
Looks like an M at the bottom. Art, eat,
This.
Oh, I thought it was 4 fingers. That makes sense. It's a tear. I'm with you now.
Oh, he's holding it like that. Like really in your face.
Okay. Wait. I broke something. Let me fix that before committing. That was here. Collision normal equals this if collision normal is different to 0, then stop.
Da, 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 da. Everything's fine.
And I think that's that for the Sprinter Zombie for now anyway.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to.
We got it polished up.
Cool. So next I'm gonna have to redraw our spitter so that he's now fancy.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine.
And now that we have the stun as a mechanic, that can also be incorporated into upgrades and stuff. So there could be a zombie upgrade that says Sprinter zombies no longer get stunned.
Yeah. Brewski.
Bonk. Why do they run in place for a bit? I don't know why that's happening. They spend like a whole second just running in place. Ow. You know, maybe I'm not done with the Sprinter Zombie. I'm done with them on stream, but
Okay.
off stream I'm gonna look at some sounds.
Ah, yes.
We need some drifting sounds, especially when they change direction. There was also the suggestion of having like whoosh sounds
Right.
for when they go by the player.
Uh-huh.
And then we need sounds for when they crash into things.
Of course.
So a crash sound effect and then a stun birds tweeting sound effect. And then it's gonna be perfect. Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching some courses to learn more Godot. If you guys got a course on YouTube of anyone that is good to learn, if you want to share, it'd be helpful. Brackeys is a good source for like top level knowledge, I would say. It doesn't like get into the specifics, but it gives you an outline of a bunch of different stuff. I can show you the course that I followed. It is very long though. Godot. Did I ever add a command for the 11-hour
I don't think
tutorial?
so. I don't think so.
No, I don't think I did. Man, how would I find it now? I actually forgot. Godot.
It might be in our Discord.
It's probably in our Discord.
Probably pinned in our Discord or something.
I'll find it. I will find this. Godot. Thank you for that follow.
Thank you.
Oh man, there's way more chat in our Discord than I remember. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it. Oof. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. I can't find it, unfortunately.
That sucks.
You found one? Gonna watch it? Nice. I'll try and remember to note it down for next time. Best tutorial is to learn the engine and where things are, then a little GD script from GD Quest, and just start making a project using the documentation.
What?
Gifted sub. Do I like your eyebrows? Thank you.
That's very it's very interesting.
Okay then. Thank you.
I like my eyebrows too.
Careful of tutorial purgatory. Make sure you eventually leave and start making the classics like Pong, Brick Break. Yep. Yeah, doing your own thing is very important. That's absolutely my recommendation as well. Watch a tutorial just to get the basics of where things are in the engine editor, and then do your own thing. And you can still look up stuff, obviously, and that includes YouTube tutorials, but make sure you're looking for answers to specific problems instead of how to build a game, you know? Because you won't get the experience that actually makes you comfortable with the engine unless you're in the thick of it, making a game.
Yeah.
Your own game.
Agreed.
Question is, who's who? Who's though? What?
Okay, we got zombie placeholder art.
Nice. Love it. Chip it. Zombie sprinter stun animation.
He says, ship it.
Did you export the human version?
I am about to do that if you give me like 3 to 5 minutes.
Roger that. Roger that.
Moonex, thank you so much. That's very kind.
Characters.
Bob Human. Bob Sketch Human. In that. Because remember, I have to scale him down 31%.
31% exactly.
Exactly 31%.
Beef.
Not 30, 31.
Oh, I need to turn off my cheats. Do. Okay, now we can open the shed.
This is in NPCs, human test. that feels a little sinister. He's in the folder human tests. Yeah, there now.
Oh. It's kind of weird that these logs, like the logs make sense to block your movement. You don't expect to be able to run through the log, but you would expect the dart to go over
Yes.
the log.
Yes, 100%.
So I'll need
You need to
to
make that happen.
I'll need to see about that.
No.
Same with the fountain. Like sometimes I instinctively go to shoot over the fountain, although that one's a bit
Right.
taller.
Yeah.
Printers can now spawn.
Fabuloso.
My god, it's so warm. Ugh. Look at all these things happening. It's like a whole video game.
I've just gone outside into the back garden and I want to stay there. Then why aren't you staying there? It sounds great.
Get a nice iced drink. And just enjoy it. Ooh, I cheat stunned them. Nobody saw that.
I saw that.
You need a dwarf zombie as an Easter egg. We could do that. I mean, they won't be a dwarf, but they'll look like the dwarf.
Maybe.
Like with the beard.
I was thinking more like I would do posters. That would be.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
posters. Yeah. Like posters, graffiti, things like that. We can do.
Yeah.
We can do a lot. I died. Rip. Absolutely wrecked. Okay, let me do the human version of the spitter.
Oh, she's gonna jump.
Oh, I don't even have that.
Malka's gonna jump up. Yeah, I know.
Huh.
I see it.
I do not have that.
Oh, she jumped. Are you happy, Cuckoo, that you jumped? I would like you to not sit here, though.
Special, we have
No, please. No, please, no. No.
special persons.
No. Cuckoo, oh my god. Look at this. She's trying so hard to sit. No, please, go over there. You're gonna start biting
She's
me.
licking you. She's like, please don't kick me out.
Please go to your spot.
Sometimes when she licks your hand, is like you never know if it's affection or if she enjoys the taste of human flesh.
If it's a moose bouche, is that what it is?
What?
No,
What?
like a appetizer.
Oh yeah.
There's a little taste. Then she chomps.
Okay. So we need a whole new thing. We need a whole new world here.
Sorry, what are you doing? I was distracted.
I realized that this human spitter is not a thing yet.
And a goater with a maca tree. Listen.
She'll enjoy that.
Thank you so much. But she will stay in her spot because if I train her that she gets treats on my desk, then that's what she's gonna continue expecting.
Right. We don't need this anymore. This scene is invalid or corrupt.
It's corrupt. Oh no.
We have a corrupt scene, so we're just gonna delete it.
Delete it.
Bye-bye.
Eat it.
Bye bye.
Can we go to my Cuckoo cam for
Yes.
momenticos? Thank you. Cuckoo. One at a time.
Human tests. Human sprinter.
We have a corrupt scene. Screw that. Give me the cat.
Human.
He deleted the corrupted scene.
Yeah.
It's gone.
You get? You don't play a ball. You're getting axed. I don't care. Don't try me. Okay. So we want this. Wait, why are these there? I deleted these. No wonder they're corrupt. I deleted them before. Why are they there? Huh?
You're undead. You didn't get the joke.
Sorry, I was good concentrating. It's a good joke.
Look at this car.
Okay. Let's rename this. It's in code, it's ranged. It's not spitter. Spitter is flavor. That was a weird sentence to say out loud. I'm sorry. But I promise it made sense.
Uh-huh. Oh no, Kuku, don't clean your butt. We're moving on.
Okay. So we have human ranged. They're special. They're a special person. And they have more weight.
They're unique.
They're heavier. As well.
Dun, upgrade selection. Dun, files.
Okay.
Placeholder.
So now we need a new scene, which will be inheriting the body component. We have body component. This will be human ranged body component. We're going to save that. Here. Sorry, I punched the mic. That was an accident.
You punched it?
That was an accident.
God. So rude.
We need to do this. So, we're going to instantiate a animation group. It's going to be called side. Then we need a sprite 2D. We can set up some guides for our sub-viewport dimensions. Have a sprite. We'll give it the texture of Bob, the builder.
The texture.
We're gonna flip them.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. Then we need an animation player, which we give to this. Then here we need a few different animations, which I'm going to copy from here. So And here we're going to say manage animations, new global animation library, paste animation. We do this. Okay. Sure. Then we copy run. Then we copy happy jump. And we got all three. So run.
He's just gonna do a little shuffle. A little hoppity hop hop.
Happy jump. Beep. Beep. And reset. So that's all we need there. So now here we can instantiate in range.
You know what I just realized?
What's up?
It's funny how the subconscious works. Because I drew him. And we've been watching Bob's Burgers. And it kind of looks a little like he has some actual Bob vibes. Bob has some Bob vibes.
Bob vibes. Yeah, a little bit.
Mustache. Food related. Call them Bob.
This is not gonna work because the other one is taller. So this position is actually wrong. Because they should be down here. And now the run is gonna be sussy. And if I do that, it's gonna be very bouncy. It's fine.
It's just placeholder.
It's just placeholder. Don't matter. It don't matter.
It will, but just not right now.
Not right now. Yep. Okay. Okay. So, did I do it right? No, not yet. So that's set up. Cool. Zombie ranged is special. They are the ranged person. They are the ranged person. Okay. Cool. Then in our zombie manager, we're currently doing things manually here. I'll need to improve this somehow. But at the moment, it's manual. Manuel. We need the person and we need the zombie scene. And then we map the ranged person to the ranged scene. Okay. Then we need to do the opposite for the human side. Yeah, I mean, it sucks that this is manual right now. I've not found a right way of doing it, unfortunately. Okay. If I just do that, will it work? Let's find out. Play. Add ranged zombie. There they go. Bouncing. Bitten.
Spin.
And then we go in for the cure. And it explodes. Okay.
No, no exploding. No violencia.
Trying to assign... Yes.
We want him to live.
Yes. We just need to create a new script which extends human body component. And that should fix that. So, round 2. Ranged. Cure. We got ranged Bob. Human. In this full high saturation glory. And then if we bring in zombies, they should turn back to their special ranged version when they get turned.
They get turned back too, huh?
Yeah.
Can they take more hits than normals? Not right now.
Not right now, but yeah, it's a good idea. At the moment, humans don't have hit points. They just turn immediately if they get caught.
Yeah. I feel like
but we can make that happen.
The special zombies should have like aura.
Aura?
Something to make them even stand out even more.
Right.
Something, you know what I mean?
An outline, a glow, something like that.
Something.
Hmm. That is fair. Hmm.
Or maybe you do have to scale them up a little bit, like you say.
Yeah. Yeah, because if they're in the middle of the whole mob, you don't even notice them, and then suddenly they're shooting at
Yeah.
you. Right? And the sprinter, you know, they get the particles and stuff, which helps. That could be a way to do it. Like maybe he's like constantly emitting food particles or something.
Yeah, just thinking. Yeah, they'll need something to stand out. I don't know what that's.
I just like watching them bounce.
Whoa. Save him! No! Oh yeah, the placeholder art is in it. And I think that's it for me for today.
Yeah, that's fair. We did a lot, I feel.
Yeah. Some 3D models, some 2D models, some stuff and things, you know?
Good progress. Okay, so for that art, resources, zombie upgrades, assets, and then UI upgrade selection, zombie UI, nope, zombie upgrade art, placeholder, chuck it in there,
Just chuck it in there.
and then we say that by default it should use that zombie placeholder. Save. And that should update everything automatically. So, zombie upgrade. Zombie upgrade. Huh? Excuse me?
It's not doing the thing. Do you need to restart or something?
Can try. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Godot is being Godot.
Sometimes it's not you, it's Godot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sometimes resources get into a weird state where the editor gets confused. I mean, actually, this one is correct. What am I talking about? This one is not. Yeah, I don't know. Nose. Yep. And zombie speed, that's fine. Printer, we can leave that. Speed boost. Let's not keep that. Let's do that. Okay, if we go here and we check zombie upgrades. So we do resource is zombie upgrade. There we go. So we can see all our images. So brains a la carte, 2-wheel drive, and everything else is default. There we go.
Nice.
Nice. Yep. To do art, eat. Nice.
Yay, we did things.
Added default or added placeholder zombie upgrade
We
art.
did.
Whew. All right.
I'd say that was a nice, productive little Saturday stream here.
Mm-hmm. For next time, we'll be focusing on the extraction mechanic.
Ooh, yeah.
So for me, is focusing on turning this fountain into an extraction zone.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna have to make a lift.
yeah, the player's gonna walk up to the fountain, interact with it, and then it's gonna go reveal an elevator.
Uh-huh.
And that will take a little bit. And then when it's up, the player can enter and go away. You know, yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna be
Be alright.
super chill to make. It's gonna be no problem.
It's gonna be no problem at all. Yeah.
Maybe
And-
maybe that's what I can do on Tuesday. Just sketch like some ideas for how this pod is gonna look like.
Yeah. That will be in terms of gameplay mechanics, the last thing. Like the last system. We still have a couple bits in terms of content to do.
Okay, please.
But in terms of new systems, that's it. We need to work on some UI screens, like a basic placeholder start screen, a way for you to pause the game and check your current build, as well as a game over screen or end of run screen. So still a few bits to do, but gameplay mechanics are almost done.
Yay! Almost ready for people to play test it.
Almost. Feels good. All right, let's find somewhere to take the nerds.
Yeah. And if you were watching today and you're interested in our game, please feel free to give it a wish list.
Yeah.
It's called Reclaim the Living, which is very fitting.
Let's visit Cavino.
Oh, we're
Do you
doing
like
Cavino?
that? Oh. Conrad is live. Conrad? I'm not sure I've ever visited Conrad. Have I?
Don't recall. I don't think so.
Some Godot. Godot rhythm game action roguelike.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
You know? I'm sold.
You
I'm
started
sold.
not so long ago? Well, then let's go.
Sure. Sounds good to me.
We'll be back on Tuesday with more game dev, so if you had a good time hanging out with us, you can see our stream schedule for your local time.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll see you guys again. Thank you so much.
Thank you for hanging out, Seto.
Thank you, and thank you for that banana hat redeem. I'll remember it always.
I too will remember it.
Amazing.
Alrighty. We're good
Are
to
we
go.
ready?
Thank you, nerds.
We'll see you next time.
Have a nice weekend. Where's the banana?
We're collectively melting together. A speak with Sun now, keeping you nearby though, so he has a good influence. Okay, thank you. Oh, Nerdy to Nerds rated. Hello, Nerdy to Nerds. I heard this name before. I don't know if I'm following even. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not following. Let me follow. Let me drop you a shout out as well. Okay. Welcome to my stream. What brings you here? Who brings